Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Simply Earth for September. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so this is for September. This month we received a bonus box as well. Simply Earth does send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me this box to review. I greatly do appreciate it. I do want to let you guys know this is going to be my last Simply Earth box. I did ask them to take me off of their PR list. Nothing against them or their box. I love their box. It's just something that I just wanted to change things up on my channel a little bit. I have been getting this for well over a year, so I just feel like if I let this one go now, I could bring in something different for you guys to see. So again, nothing against the box. They didn't do nothing wrong to me. We had no bad vibes, no nothing at all. I wrote them and asked them to kindly take me off after, appreciating them for sending me everything thus far. But I just feel that I wanted to make that change on my channel, and that's what I finally have done. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this. Again, this is my last box. So let's see, yes, Cheryl, aka Who Dat, talking about Who Dat, she did package my box again. And let's go ahead and get this open. Sorry, Cheryl, last time I promise. So let's get inside here. Now, when you get the bonus box, so my code is still active. If you do want to sign up, you can still receive this. And when I tell you my code will get you the free bonus box at sign up, this is that bonus box. So you will have your regular recipe box right on top for the month, but that one time you get this so you can keep using it with the other products. So let's go ahead and go through this, and then I will show you what's all in the bonus box if you guys are interested, if you haven't seen or you want to know. So for this month, here's the box. They always donate 13% to end human trafficking, which is amazing. And I really love the fact that they do that. There will be a card inside who tells us which actual organization they're donating to this month. Sometimes it could be the same, sometimes it could be different, but they do let us know. This is what it looks like when you open it up. You always get these stickers right on top, which I love because you use these to put on the items that you're making so you know what's inside, or you know which essential oils are inside, so there's no questions asked. Then you always get your 6 recipe cards. These are all detailed. They tell you step-by-step instructions of what to do, how to do them, that kind of thing. And then there's always information on the back of the cards as well. You always get your oils. They're always right here. And then your extra goods are on the side. You use these to make the recipes with the stuff from the bonus box. And you may have to purchase a few things to make that recipe. If you don't want to make that recipe, then you don't purchase it, and you can save the card to make it when you have the ingredients. So that's that. This month we do have a spray bottle, and then it looks like we have the earplugs. No, I don't think they're earplugs. Let's see what is in here. They're little balls. I'm not sure what well, there goes 2. I dropped 2. There goes 2. I dropped a pink and a blue ball. I'll have to find where those rolled off to, but we will find out what we are going to use with them at least. So let me go ahead and find, here's the card. This card will go over all of the different oils, and it says we're going to have a blood orange. This uplifts, cleans, soothes pain, dilute before using on your skin, kid safe 2+, pregnancy safe, consult doctor, but it's pregnancy safe. Cat safe, no, dog safe, yes. We have lemon eucalyptus, repels insects, deodorizes, dilute before using on skin, kid safe 2+, pregnancy safe, yes, consult a doctor, cat safe, no, dog safe, yes. So far everything is good for a dog, but not the next 2. So here is clove. Clove supports focus and immune system. Skin irritating, dilute at a rate of 0.5% or less. Kid safe 10+, pregnancy safe, no, dog and cat safe, no and no. Then the last oil for this box will be Defender, and this boosts immunity, kills germs, skin irritating, dilute at a rate of 3% or less, kid safe 10+, pregnancy safe, no, cat safe, no, dog safe, no. So this month, unfortunately, none of them are good to use around a cat, which I do love that they are putting this on there. You can definitely save these cards and then you know what's good for dogs or what's not. Or you could always get like a little color coordinated stickies and put little things on the top of the lid so you know before you even grab it and you don't have to look it up what's good to put around your pet if you have pets in the house. Always check before using with animals in the house because they cannot talk to tell you if they're feeling funny. You're changing the world with Exodus Cry. Exodus, EXODUS Cry. So that must be who they're donating the 13% to this month. Yes, every person should be free. By purchasing this month's recipe box, you are bringing people freedom with Exodus Cry. 13% of profits at Simply Earth go to organizations committed to ending human trafficking. This month, you're making a difference with Exodus Cry. So that's amazing. That's who they're donating to this month. Okay, we got a sneak peek for October. October sneak peek. Theme is DIY Spa Day. You're gonna have 100% pure essential oils, as always. Breathe Easy Blend, eucalyptus, mandarin, plus a new fall blend. Toxin-free recipes. You'll learn how to mix oils and water using a emulsifier. I'm not quite sure what that word is. EMULSIFIER. To make amazing spa quality recipes like a body polish scrub and moisturizing spray. Extras would be emulsifying spray, water bottle, plus one more. Things that you want at home: granulated sugar, lemon juice, small jars to hold recipes, and a food thermometer. So that's for next month. Okay, so the 6 different recipes that we will be making is, the first one here is Defeat the Reek. Defeat the Reek diffuser blend. 1 drop of clove essential oil, 1 drop of lemon essential oil, and 2 drops of blood orange essential oil. Time is 2 minutes. Shelf life is 1 year. It does give you the drop by drop to make one thing in a diffuser, or it also gives you the recipe to add multiple drops in the little jar that you get in this bonus box here. Like I can show you because I can grab one. Let me reach in here and grab one right here. So you can put them all in here, and then you can put the little label on here so you know which one it is, and you can have a big one, and whenever you need it, you just drop a few into the diffuser. So there's that. Next we have is a mini car diffuser. This one takes 5 minutes. Shelf life is refresh as needed, and you should have everything. Oh, that's what those little balls are for. It says felt wool balls. You'll need a needle. They didn't give us a needle, right? No. And then the needle should be an asterisk then, because anything that they do not supply between that monthly recipe box and the bonus box, and you need to supply it yourself, should have an asterisk next to it. There's not for the needle. And then it says 6 inches of thread or floss, which that's not in here either. 3 drops of lemon essential oil, 2 drops of blood essential oil, and then optional is small clothing pin or clips, beads, or other jewelry making supplies. So you do need, I don't know why they're missing some of the things with the asterisk, but this one you will need a needle and you will need thread. Then the next one is Don't Bug Me Roll On. I'll probably need this for all the bugs outside while I'm gardening. Ingredients is 10 ml of coconut oil, which we have the coconut oil in the bonus box, 3 drops of lemon eucalyptus oil, 1 drop of clove, and then the 10 ml roll-on bottle, which those in the bonus box as well. And you get these little roller bottles. So these come in the bonus box. But I probably need to make that one because yes. And that is 2 minutes time. Shelf life is 1 year. The next one is No Stink Disc. It says 1 cup of baking soda, which that's not asterisked. 4 tablespoons of distilled water. That's not asterisked. Mold. Oh, like an ice tray. I'm like, mold? Like an ice tray. That's not asterisked. 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil, which we have. 3 drops of lemon eucalyptus essential oil. 7 drops of orange essential oil. And 3 drops of clove. So there are a few things that you need to supply on here as well that it's not showing. So now we have is a Smell Fresh body spray. So that's probably where this spray bottle is going to come into play. 2 minutes time, shelf life is 6 weeks, and you need distilled water, which that's not asterisked, 4 drops of the Defender essential oil, 4 drops of the orange, 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil, which we have, and the spray bottle, which we have. So this one, all you need is distilled water to make that. And since starting this, I always keep like a big bottle of distilled water under my sink, so I normally am prepared. Then the last one is a drawer deodorizer. 2 minutes, shelf life is refresh as needed. Ingredients is a cotton ball, small cotton bag. Maybe that's where you can use this bag, maybe. 5 drops of the orange, and then 5 drops of the clove. So I guess you just put it on cotton balls and you stick it in a small cotton bag, which I'm gonna assume is this one, and then stick it in your drawer. That sounds neat. So that is all of the different recipes this month, you guys. Yeah. So now if you want to know what is in the bonus box, let me go ahead and show you what's in there. I gotta remember not to forget those bowls on the floor. Okay, so inside of the bonus box, you get beeswax. So you have this thing full of beeswax to use. You have this big thing of coconut oil. Then you have almond oil. Here's another pure carrier. These are carrier oils. Coconut oil and almond oil is carrier oils. And then we have all these little bottles. So you have 6 of the different roller balls. And then there are 6 of these little vial bottles as well. So you get 6 of each of the glass vials, the 2 carrier oils, the coconut oil, and the beeswax. So if you did use my code SheCrafty free, this is the bonus box you're gonna get upon signing up, plus a $40 gift card to use on a future purchase. That's everything is going to be linked down below. Make your home natural with our essential recipe box. It includes 4 essential oils, natural ingredients, plus fun extras. It's a $150 value for only $39 a month. Make 6 recipes every month with a new theme, and it's free shipping to the United States. If you have any questions or anything on the recipes, they always do have their forums. You can look online and they show you them step by step making each individual recipe. So if you have any questions and you want to watch them make it first before diving in yourself, you definitely can. Or you can go ahead and just do it because there's step by step easy instructions that they include. So you guys, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.